Hello guys, in this series we will be covering small VLSI topics and everything will be uploaded on the channel with respect to each topic. So the today's topic is what is clock. Okay, so basically in VLSI subject you can say everything revolves around this clock. So why we need a clock? With respect to sequential circuits to operate or to perform various performance into a chips or any sequential circuit, the controlling factor is clock. Okay, so we give impulses, that is the clock, and with respect to that we can control the signal when we need the output, what is the desired rate of output, so the frequency will be changed as with respect to that. So let's see what is a clock. Okay, so over here you can see clock is a signal. For now mostly it's a rectangular signal or a pulse you can say. So, yeah, but in VLSI industry mostly the clocks used to operate the designer always of duty cycle 50%. So we will study what it is exactly. So basically this is a clock. You can state there are two states. Okay, the first is low. Here the clock is low. Okay, here the clock is low, or you can say voltage is low or 0, 1 or high. Okay, so let's represent one with red. So this is where the clock is high. Yeah, sure. Then also there are two more parameters. The first is this one. So this is, you can say, leading edge. It is leading edge. Similarly, this is falling edge. It is falling edge. Okay, since from here low to high it is going, yes, and from here high to low. The signal is going from high to low. So this is a clock, yeah, and it is periodic. Okay. Also one more thing. So what is time period? Suppose the time after which the clock repeats, yes, you can see the same pattern is repeated over here. So this period is nothing but, it is called as time period of clock or period of clock. Now what is frequency? There is one more term, frequency. Frequency of clock is nothing but 1 upon the time period. Okay, 1 upon time period. For example, whatever it may be, the unit of time period, it will be the inverse. Yes. So similarly, if we go now, one more topic. So suppose we have a flop over here. Yes. Suppose this is an SR flip flop. It is an SR flip flop. So these are the inputs. Okay, these are the outputs, and it is operated by a clock signal. This means that now there can be two cases. One is edge triggered and another is level triggered. Okay, so suppose this is the clock that is coming over here. So if the clock is functional when the level is high, that means at this position, then it will be called as level triggered. Similarly, if it operates or the clock is functional when on edge, suppose on leading edge, yeah, so then it will be called as edge triggered. Now here there can be two cases. If it is going from low to high, then positive edge triggered. If it is from high to low, then it will be negative edge triggered. So you can divide this into two: positive edge triggered, negative edge triggered. So this is basically the fundamental of what is a clock. Yeah. So these are this is simple formula of frequency. Then one more term is there, that is duty cycle. So I will use this place over here. What is duty cycle? So you can write duty cycle as, this is formula of duty cycle, the time for which the signal is high upon the total time. Okay, so time when signal is high upon total time. Suppose over here we consider that the signal is high for the time period T by 2. So what will be the duty cycle over here? It will be T by 2 upon T, that is the whole period, which is nothing but 1 by 2, or you can say 50% is the duty cycle. Okay, I hope it is clear. This is a simple topic. We'll cover small topics first and then we'll move towards the advanced topic. That's it. Thank you.